2004 Stone Customs Chopper. Price: $11,000. Mileage: 3,000 miles. Location: Kernersville, NC. Hand-built by Stone Customs in Boston, this stunning 2004 custom chopper combines aggressive styling with serious V-twin performance. Power comes from a muscular 100 CI Sands engine paired with a Super G carburetor, 5-speed transmission, and Primo open primary drive, delivering the unmistakable sound and power that custom chopper enthusiasts love. The bike rides on a massive 240/18 rear tire and 21-inch front wheel, complemented by rear air ride suspension and premium performance machine controls for an exceptional riding experience. Recently refreshed with new front and rear tires, new primary belt, fresh spark plugs, new ignition coil, new sun-eye headlight, new high roller seat, fresh brake pads, brake fluid, and all new service fluids, this custom is turnkey and ready to ride. 2006 Custom Chopper. Price: $8,800. Location: Thomaston, Connecticut. Built by Carter's Fabrication, this head-turning 2006 custom chopper delivers bold custom styling backed by proven V-twin performance. At its heart is a powerful Screamin' Eagle 103 CI engine, paired with a 6-speed Baker right-side drive transmission and a 3-inch Primo open belt primary, creating the unmistakable look and sound of a true custom motorcycle. A massive 300 series rear tire gives the bike an aggressive stance while providing excellent road presence. Owned by its third owner, this chopper comes with a clean title, runs flawlessly, and is ready to hit the road. Combining premium drivetrain components, professional craftsmanship, and classic long fork chopper styling, this custom build is an excellent choice for riders looking for a reliable, show-quality motorcycle that stands out everywhere it goes. 2007 Black Label Custom Chopper. Price: $10,000. Mileage: 700 miles. Location: Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey. Built to impress from every angle, this 2007 Black Label Custom Chopper is a high-end, professionally crafted motorcycle with over $50,000 invested in its build. Power comes from a massive 113 CI V-twin engine paired with a Baker 6-speed transmission and a 3-inch open primary drive, delivering exceptional performance, reliability, and the unmistakable sound of a premium custom chopper. Showing only 700 miles, this bike has barely been ridden and remains in outstanding condition. It features over $5,000 in one-of-a-kind custom paintwork, along with countless premium aftermarket components that create a truly unique, show-quality machine. 2006 American IronHorse Legend Chopper Softail. Price: $9,995. Mileage: 14,877 miles. Location: Perkiomenville, Pennsylvania. Bold styling meets legendary V-twin performance in this 2006 American IronHorse Legend Chopper Softail, finished in an eye-catching candied baby blue paint scheme with striking Columbia blue flames. Powered by a massive 111 CI Sans Evolution-style V-twin engine paired with a 6-speed transmission, this custom cruiser delivers exhilarating torque, a deep exhaust note, and the unmistakable presence that made American IronHorse motorcycles famous. Loaded with chrome accents, polished billet aluminum components, and premium custom detailing, this Legend Chopper offers both show-quality appearance and highway-ready performance. Showing 14,877 miles, the bike has been well cared for and is ready for its next owner. With its rare factory paint, powerful Sans drivetrain, stretch chopper styling, and clean overall presentation, this American IronHorse is an excellent opportunity to own a distinctive custom motorcycle that turns heads everywhere it rides. 2005 American IronHorse Texas Chopper. Price: $16,500. Mileage: 12,000 miles. Location: Hillsborough, New Jersey. Turn heads everywhere you ride with this stunning 2005 American IronHorse Texas Chopper, a premium custom V-twin built for riders who demand both performance and show-quality style. Under the stretched frame sits a powerful 1,700 cubic centimeters V-twin engine paired with a 6-speed transmission and a striking 6-inch open-belt primary drive, delivering impressive torque, smooth highway cruising, and the unmistakable sound of a true American custom chopper. Finished in breathtaking metallic green custom paint with hand-laid flame graphics, this Texas chopper is loaded with gleaming chrome and polished custom components that make it impossible to ignore. With only 12,000 miles, the bike remains in excellent condition, runs and rides flawlessly, and comes with a clean title. 2006 Bourget Dragon Chopper. Price: $15,900. Mileage: 4,908 miles. Location: York TWP, PA. Experience handcrafted American chopper excellence with this 2006 Bourget Dragon, a premium custom motorcycle built for riders who appreciate bold styling and exceptional craftsmanship. Showing just 4,908 miles, this low-mileage custom features the unmistakable long, stretched stance and aggressive lines that have made Bourget motorcycles highly sought after by collectors and custom bike enthusiasts. Finished in an eye-catching blue paint scheme, this Dragon has been freshly serviced with brand new front and rear tires along with a new battery, making it road-ready for the next owner. Built to deliver both performance and comfort, it offers smooth highway cruising, impressive road presence, and the quality engineering Bourget's custom motorcycles are known for. With its low mileage, premium construction, and turnkey condition, this 2006 Bourget Dragon Chopper is an outstanding opportunity to own a rare, show-quality custom motorcycle that's ready to ride or display. 2001 Bourget Python Motorcycle. Price: $10,000. Location: Carlton, Michigan. Built to command attention, this 2001 Bourget Python is a true show-quality custom chopper featuring an incredible combination of premium performance parts and award-worthy craftsmanship. At its heart is a massive 117 CI Sans V-twin engine with a diamond-cut top end, complemented by dual carburetors, a 6-speed transmission, and a belt-drive primary for powerful acceleration and a classic custom bike feel. An integrated NOS, nitrous oxide system, adds even more performance potential, making this Bourget a serious high-performance machine. Every visible component has been fully polished, giving the motorcycle a mirror-like finish that perfectly complements its aggressive styling and handcrafted design. 2001 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200 Chopper. Price: $4,500. Location: Neenah, Wisconsin. Built with classic old-school chopper attitude, this 2001 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200 Chopper features a professionally customized hardtail setup and a long list of fresh upgrades. Powered by the dependable 1,200 cubic centimeters Evolution V-twin engine, the bike runs and rides great while delivering the unmistakable Harley rumble. A throttle addiction hardtail kit, 21-inch front wheel, and 2-inch fork extensions give it the stretched, minimalist profile every traditional chopper enthusiast appreciates. The build has been updated with a new fuel tank, fenders, handlebars, grips, hand controls, solo seat, and a new single-fire ignition system, while the raw metal tins are protected with a fresh clear coat for an authentic custom look. 2005 Harley-Davidson Softail Deluxe. Price: $17,000. Mileage, 13,000 miles. Location, Roselle, Illinois. Freshly transformed from the frame up, this 2005 Harley-Davidson Softail Deluxe is a show-quality custom bagger with only 100 miles since the build was completed. Finished in a stunning retro-inspired red paint scheme reminiscent of the legendary Knucklehead era, the bike blends timeless Harley styling with modern upgrades. Powered by the reliable twin-cam engine, it has been professionally serviced with new cam tensioners, video-proof available, a high-flow air cleaner, and a custom tune for smooth, dependable performance. The chassis features an all-new front and rear air ride suspension, massive 23-inch front and 18-inch rear 60-spoke wheels, HHI rake kit, chrome fork lowers, chrome brake calipers, new rotors, new pulley, and fresh Shinko whitewall tires, creating an aggressive stance without sacrificing ride quality. Custom touches include 14-inch 8 handlebars, machined brass grips, brass axle nut covers, a freight train-style chrome nacelle, dirty bird front fender, metal panhead fender tips, vintage beehive taillight, retro turn signal lenses, Lepra bare bones solo seat, matching lower dash panel, center stand, and Bluetooth speakers mounted on the crash bar. 2007 American IronHorse Texas Chopper. Price, $10,000. Mileage, approximately 14,000 miles. Location, Bethel, Connecticut. A rare opportunity to own a beautifully maintained 2007 American IronHorse Texas Chopper, a legendary custom motorcycle known for its aggressive stance, premium craftsmanship, and unmistakable American chopper style. Finished in a sleek silver exterior, this bike features the highly desirable factory chrome package and a custom air ride suspension system that gives it both a dramatic look and adjustable comfort on the road. With only 2 owners and over 10 years of careful ownership, this Texas Chopper has been kept in near-perfect condition. The bike delivers the classic long and low chopper appearance with the quality engineering that made American IronHorse a standout name in the custom motorcycle world. Showing approximately 14,000 miles, this machine is ready for its next enthusiast to enjoy. 1997 American IronHorse Thunder Chopper. Price, $5,800. Mileage, 7,500 miles. Location, Morristown, Tennessee. Built for experienced riders who want serious custom attitude, this 1997 American IronHorse Thunder Chopper delivers classic American muscle with a raw, aggressive riding experience. Powered by a strong Sands 96 CI V-twin engine paired with a dependable Baker 5-speed transmission, This custom machine offers the unmistakable sound and performance that chopper enthusiasts demand. Recently refreshed with fresh oil, new tires, upgraded brakes, new ignition components, fresh plugs and wires, a replacement speedometer, and a newer LED headlight, this bike is ready to ride. The original speedometer is also included, along with documentation for the work completed. Harley-Davidson Softail components are compatible with this platform, making future customization and maintenance easier. Finished in a striking blue color and showing only 7,500 miles, this American IronHorse Thunder is not a beginner motorcycle. It was built for riders who appreciate power, style, and the attitude of a true custom chopper. 2002 American IronHorse Outlaw Chopper. Price: $7,000. Mileage: 12,086 miles. Location: Cazenovia, Michigan. A stunning example of classic American custom motorcycle craftsmanship. This 2002 American IronHorse Outlaw comes from a private collection and showcases the bold styling and performance that made IronHorse motorcycles legendary. Finished in a factory red paint scheme with custom flames, this chopper delivers an unmistakable presence with its long, low profile and premium custom details. Power comes from a powerful Sans 107 Ci fully polished V-twin engine, providing impressive performance along with the deep, aggressive sound expected from a high-end American chopper. With only 12,086 miles and just 2 owners, this motorcycle has been carefully preserved and remains in beautiful condition. 2005 American IronHorse LSC Chopper. Price: $8,000. Mileage: 11,000 miles. Location: Mayfield, Kentucky. A beautifully styled example of American custom motorcycle craftsmanship. This 2005 American IronHorse LSC delivers the classic long and low chopper profile with dependable performance and unmistakable road presence. Finished in a bold red exterior, this machine captures the aggressive attitude and handcrafted style that made American IronHorse motorcycles highly sought after among custom bike enthusiasts. Showing 11,000 miles, this LSC is in great condition, fires right up, and runs strong. Known for its comfortable cruising ability, unique custom styling, and quality American-built design, this motorcycle is ready for weekend rides, long highway cruises, or adding to any serious chopper collection. With its eye-catching appearance, solid running condition, and legendary custom bike heritage, this American IronHorse LSC offers an excellent opportunity to own a distinctive American chopper at an attractive price.